Manade. Koro, apisas mag county ma Nairobi okinyi makawuono nodaro jodak mar kar dak Mangara mayango ni osebedo ka dak e udi magwegi ok chule usuru mar lowo kata iluongo ni land rates. Mago riwo koda ka hekalu mar kweth mar Freemason mabendo olor kaluwore gi gowi mar usuru maromo $19,000,000. Chenro no notimore chakre kar dak ma New Ngara nyaka Old Ngara, gino mano chuno MCAs ma ward no mondo donjre, to kata kamano ne ok ginyalo resogi.
There are several court orders, court matters that are still being determined, and so it's quite sad that the county government is using its powers and even using goons to come and threaten and harass people here.
Kuna system ambayo ilikuja inaitwa UBP. Sometimes ina fluctuate. So unatengeneza haitoi receipt. So kuna ule reconciliation yake haina receipt ama ule mwingine ameifanya lakini ita-uploadiwa kwa system. So my intervention was, can we reconcile ule anasema zake ni hizi na county inasema hizi mwanzo. Alafu sasa waende to exercise ule ambaye haja reconcile na hataki kulipa chochote.
This is not just targeted to a few people. We will actually be having this exercise go through the next 2 months between now and the end of June to ensure that everybody has complied with their taxes.
Jimoyo 1,000 mano jote puodho mar Maweni settlement scheme e Mtwapa County ma Kilifi